Hi guys, ready to truly light up the room. Choosing a pink dress for the mother of the bride is such a wonderfully bold, joyful, and utterly unforgettable decision. This isn't just a color, it's a feeling, radiating confidence, incredible energy, and pure, unadulterated celebration. It's absolutely perfect for a mom who wants to stand out in the most fabulous way, adding a pop of unexpected vibrancy that will just lift the whole atmosphere of the wedding. Whether it's a glamorous city bash, a lively summer party, or a truly unique, fashion-forward event, get ready to turn every head and bring so many smiles to people's faces. When you're picking out your pink gown, the fabric and how it's designed are super important for getting that perfect, show-stopping look. Imagine the luxurious waist silk or satin drapes, giving you the high-fashion, red carpet vibe. Or maybe you prefer a structured crepe that holds a dramatic shape beautifully. If you love a little sparkle, think about a dress with subtle sequin touches or intricate beading that will just catch the light as you move. Modern cuts, like a chic off-the-shoulder design or a sophisticated mermaid silhouette, can really make that vibrant pink scene, making you look incredibly contemporary and oh so stylish. Styling a pink dress is truly where you get to have fun and lean into its amazing dramatic flair. This powerful color just loves metallics like gold or even sharp black accents for a truly chic contrast. Picture some gorgeous gold jewelry, maybe a statement cuff or elegant chandelier earring that will just perfectly complement the intensity of the dress. A sleek black clutch or some sharp black heels can add such a sophisticated edge, beautifully balancing all that vibrant pink. And for your hair, a polished up doe or a smooth, straight style can keep your whole look feeling refined, ensuring everyone's eyes are on that stunning color and, of course, your radiant smile. The absolute magic of pink is how it creates an unforgettable moment within the wedding's overall aesthetic. It actually harmonizes beautifully with some unexpected palettes, like a deep navy or an emerald green for a really rich, luxurious feel, or it can simply be that brilliant, joyful focal point against more neutral tones. This means your dress isn't just a statement on its own. It becomes a dynamic and exciting part of the entire wedding celebration. Choosing a pink mother of the bride dress is truly about embracing joy, radiating confidence, and making a spectacularly memorable impression. If you found this exciting, it'd be awesome if you could like, share, and subscribe.